Hey, James Eagleman at Eagle Ballistics. We are going to take a look at the Calypso. This is the Calypso ultrasonic wind meter, which you guys already know works with EB. This is the Calypso weather dot, and this will feed Eagle Ballistics temperature, pressure, and humidity, and they kind of work together. So if I had a rangefinder connected like this one here, this is the Revic inside of Eagle Ballistics. You can see when I go to devices, I've got the Revic connected and I've got the Calypso weather dot. I'm just going to range the tree line over there real quick, and you can see we are at, let's try it again, 85 yards. Now, what I've done is I've connected the Calypso weather dot to give me temperature. And you can see I got the rangefinder. I'm ignoring the environmental data. Now, why would I do that? Again, if I was driving around and I see an animal and I jump out, rangefinders take almost 10 minutes to reacclimatize for temperature. By having the Calypso weather dot, it acclimatizes 10 times faster. They're super fast. So that way I get a good temperature for a long shot. And that way I don't miss the animal because I've got a misread on the temperature from the rangefinder. Now, these rangefinders have a good temperature reader in them, but they are slow to acclimatize. So again, let's talk about part two of why I would use the Calypso weather dot. The Calypso weather dot allows you to use the app in any environment. What does that mean? I don't need any cell service whatsoever. Eagle Ballistics needs 0 cell service to provide data, in other words, environmental data. As far as pressure goes, it uses a sensor inside the phone. It uses a satellite for your location, for your longitude and latitude, and your declination, inclination, but it doesn't read temperature. So it automatically reads temperature to the nearest airport or weather station, and that's with cell service. So again, let me kind of back up. The app only needs, I'm letting that car go by, cell service for temperature and humidity. If you connect it to the weather dot, you need 0 cell service whatsoever, all right? Now, if you're using the rangefinder and you don't have the weather dot, you still can use this to give the app temperature and humidity, but it does take about 10 minutes to acclimatize if you're jumping in and out of hot truck, cold truck, whatever, as far as temperature goes. But again, this video is more about the weather dot, okay? So I've got the Calypso wind meter, ultrasonic, and the Calypso weather dot, and they're a nice little package for you to take on your hunts. All right, thanks for watching and have a good day.